Hi, this is Esther Young. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your sheet. There are a few tricky things that we have learned through BIM 1 class, and I just find it very useful to kind of refresh what we have learned. First of all, if you already have your floor plan on, which is great, but let's say you don't want this big of a floor plan, you just want part of it. What you can do is to adjust the crop view and crop region, and not here on the sheet, but the floor plan that you have. So right here you have it, and then you just click on it, and you can adjust however you want. Okay, so let's say if we go back to the plan, this is adjusted already. Now another thing is about moving this title thing. Since we click on the image and move, the whole thing would be moved together. What we need to do is actually to click on somewhere else and just drag the title straight on. So that's very important to know. And make sure that you turn off your crop view after you made the adjustment as well. So here it is.